जीवन्मुक्तिप्रदं देवं क्षमापूर्णं
Paramahamsa Nityananda is a rare living incarnation, a yogi by birth. He has been expressing his power of enlightenment since birth. He has authored more than 500 books in Tamil and English, books in Telugu, Kannada, Malayalam, Hindi, Sanskrit, Gujarati, Oriya, Bengali, Marathi, French, Malay, Polish, Portuguese, Italian, German, Danish, Spanish, Russian and Chinese, with translations in 26 languages are available. He is also an exemplary speaker with over 8,000 hours of profound life solutions through his discourses. Social services such as Annadan, free medical care, free educational services, ashrams, schools, temples, hospitals established in more than 140 places around the world offer exceptional services. A powerful spiritual healer who has healed millions of people of diseases from migraine to cancer. A Kriya Yogi who has formulated Kriyas for physical health and mental well-being, benefiting thousands. A living master who offers practical solutions for our everyday problems. Having meditation centers in 151 countries including Bidadi, Tiruvannamalai, Rajapalyam, Salem, Hyderabad, Varanasi, Los Angeles, Ohio, Seattle, San Jose and Phoenix. He is the founder and spiritual head of Nityananda Dhyanapitham, a spiritual guru for 10 million followers, an incarnation who transmits the highest spiritual energy through initiation. A contemporary yogi who has revived the Vedic science of yoga worldwide through thousands of yoga centers. Adept in Ashtamahasiddhis, mystical yogic powers, he has effortlessly awakened the Kundalini of thousands, gracing them with spiritual powers. A spiritual powerhouse who has revived the sacred Vedic tradition by establishing Vedic temples worldwide in places like Los Angeles, San Jose, Seattle, Toronto, Ohio, Oklahoma, Phoenix, St. Louis, Malaysia, Brazil, Paris, Guadeloupe, Dallas, New York, New Jersey, Atlanta, Calgary, Vancouver, Singapore, and places like Bangalore, Hyderabad, and Tiruvannamalai in India. A dynamic young guru who is an inspiration to thousands of youngsters. India's most watched spiritual guru online. A beacon of spiritual light who has triumphed over the forces of religious terrorism and political persecution. Paramahamsa Nityananda is an eternal Kalpataru, blessing the world with the boons of material abundance and spiritual enlightenment.
आनन्दानुभवास्वादं सर्वरोगनिवारकं वन्दे पापविनाशक्तं नित्यानन्दाय स्वागतं नित्यमुक्तं निर्विकल्पं ध्यानलोकप्रदीपकं वन्दे शान्तमयं बन्धं नित्यानन्दाय स्वागतम् आनन्दगन्धसञ्चारं सर्वोपाधिविनिर्मुक्तं वन्दे ज्ञानालयं नाथं नित्यानन्दाय स्वागतम्.
Let's start the satsang. Please start the questions.
The first question today is from Richard from Belgium. He writes, Beloved Swamiji, thanks a lot for explaining about how being a high achiever is actually true spirituality. I shared your phenomenal teaching with my colleagues in a very interesting discussion. Many further questions and doubts came up in the discussion. Can you clarify for us, Swamiji, what does it mean to articulate and instill a vision compelling enough to inspire sacrifice and stimulate innovation?
Beloved Swamiji, thanks a lot for explaining about how being a high achiever is actually true spirituality. I shared your phenomenal teaching with my colleagues in a very interesting discussion. Many further questions and doubts came up in the discussion. Can you clarify for us, Swamiji, what does it mean to articulate and instill a vision compelling enough to inspire, sacrifice, and stimulate innovation? Richard, first thing you need to know, before articulating a vision which will instill inspiration, sacrifice, stimulate innovation in others, it should do all this in you. You should feel passionate. See, I feel inspired, ready to sacrifice my morning sleep, constantly stimulating innovative ideas to come to satsang. Understand? This morning satsang, take this as an example. Before this satsang inspires you to come for satsang every day, makes you sacrifice your morning sleep or night sleep or your other entertainments, other commitments, and stimulates innovation about your life in you, all these three happens in me. I feel inspired to come here. I feel what I am doing is a great service to humanity. I feel like sacrificing my morning sleep. I can see very clearly how many thousands of people are helped by it. How many millions of people are inspired by it.
Welcome to Inner Awakening, the most powerful personal transformation retreat you could ever experience. In just 21 days, thousands are already experiencing the shortest route to constantly high energy levels, visible anti-aging, healing of chronic diseases, fulfilling relationships, and higher states of consciousness. What is the secret behind this transformation?
Kundalini means the inner potential energy. Once it is awakened, opens the different doors for the conscious experience in you. I can say which is a master key for all extraordinary spiritual experiences.
This extraordinary program is conducted personally by Paramahamsa Nityananda in the vibrant atmosphere of Nityananda Dhyanapitham Ashram. Open yourself to the benefits of Nitya Yoga and practical meditation. Experience physical and mental healing. Discover simple ways to handle life with success. Above all, enjoy individual darshan and blessings from Paramahamsa Nityananda every day. Take 21 days for yourself and carry home the transformation of a lifetime.
It was in alignment with what I feel as me. Please understand. What you feel as you is a very important thing. In me, I strongly believe I am embodiment of compassion. Nobody is able to shake that idea from me. Even if others don't believe, if you believe, those concepts, gone. You are destroyed. They have succeeded in the war. You win the game only when others are not able to put their ideas about you inside you. I won the game because they were never able to touch my perception about me. They were able to touch others' perceptions about me. but they were never able to touch my perception about me. When I took up this project, it was in tune with my concept about me. This morning satsang, it was such a great service, inspiration. So I could see very clearly this action was in tune with my concept about me. I am inspired. I am ready to sacrifice my morning sleep. And every day I have some innovative idea to share with you all. I have some innovative idea to share with you all. Understand? Constantly innovation is stimulated in me because what I am doing, I am passionate about it. Whatever I am doing is in tune with what I believe as me. If you believe you are love, obstructions which comes to stop the flow of your life is demon for you. If you believe you are intelligence, the obstructions which come stopping your flow of intelligence is demon for you. I am very clear. I am completely convinced and strongly I believe and experience I am compassion.
Discover the secrets of health and wealth in one package. For the first time, a 2-day health and wealth workshop by Paramahamsa Nityananda. 100% healing for a range of ailments. Wipe out illness from body, mind and being. Awaken your body's natural intelligence and healing powers. Overcome stress and powerfully resolve your wealth-related conflicts. Discover the secrets of creating and celebrating wealth.
Let me tell you step by step how you build the patterns. First, the memory. Morning 7 o'clock, coffee is very nice. After 1 month, it becomes samskara, engram. Morning 7 o'clock, I should have coffee. After 1 year, it becomes muscle memory. Means morning 7 o'clock, if I don't get coffee, I will feel little low mood. I will feel low, feel little irritated.
Dynamic interactive awareness sessions that reveal the secrets of a perfect health and having abundance in wealth.
I will have headache. That is biomemory. After 6-7 years or 10 years, really one day you are caught somewhere, you are not able to get coffee and having headache, rolling on the ground. That is DNA level. Now understand how the memory becomes samskara, engram. Engram becomes pattern. Pattern becomes muscle memory. Muscle memory becomes biomemory. Biomemory becomes DNA level pattern.
Intense meditations and kriyas that holistically instill a transformed health and wealth consciousness in you. At Baroda from March 24th to March 25th, 2012. Contact 91-851-11-25239.
So this morning satsang is in tune with my feeling about me. I always wanted every morning to sit under the banyan tree and conduct this morning satsang and classes. But of course, still we have not constructed our temple there. That's the reason Still we are not able to do. But anyhow, now I am planning the whole temple in that way only. Whatever you feel as you believe as you, if any action you choose, if it is in tune with you, with that belief, you will not have tiredness. If you believe you are a greedy man, any action which makes you work for money will not make you tired. I tell you, even you believing you are a greedy person is good to make money. If you have that belief, don't try to destroy that belief. Try to actualize it. Let it become a reality. Then you will understand that belief does not give you fulfillment and that drops from you. It will drop. Finally, there will be some beliefs which will not drop at all, which will just be you. Those beliefs are only, I am calling, the expression of enlightenment.
Discover the power of Kundalini Awakening at Kalpataru, a unique full-day transformational program blessed personally by rare living incarnation Paramahamsa Nityananda. What is Kundalini? Kundalini is the tremendous potential energy hidden inside every individual, which can be awakened through initiation by an enlightened master. Once awakened, Kundalini has the power to transform every area of your life and bring you health, wealth, success, joyful relationships, and spiritual enlightenment. Harness the power of meditation and initiation. Experience a glimpse of Kundalini awakening at Kalpataru. Manifest your destiny. Every weekend at Nityananda Dhyanapitham, Nityananda Nagar, Bidadi, Bengaluru.
Satchitananda. Consciousness, awareness, bliss. In my case, I am very clear about what I am doing and what I believe as me. What I believe as me, I am so clear about it. Any action which is in tune with it is inspiring me, making me sacrifice and bringing stimulating innovative ideas in me constantly. Because I am having all the three: inspiration, ability to sacrifice, and it stimulates innovative qualities. It does all these three in others also. In others also all the three happens. Whoever listens to my words, get inspired, feel like sacrificing, innovation is stimulated in them also. I tell you, best way to instill a vision compelling enough to inspire, sacrifice and stimulate innovation in others is that vision should do all these three in you.